Hello everyone. We all love milk tea, and we all love boba and milk tea. However, it is very difficult to make boba at home. So I was thinking, could we make it easier if we just use spaghetti as boba? I mean, spaghetti also have the al dente texture that the boba strive for. So if we undercook spaghetti, we will have an optimal boba texture. Would it work? Let's find out. We already have this tea here. But to make the spaghetti boba, you need to smash like and subscribe now for the YouTube algorithm. Got that? Let's do it. First, boil some water. Add brown sugar. Boil the spaghetti for 12 minutes. Take it out, rinse, and cut it to little pieces. Second, make some brown sugar syrup by boiling brown sugar, and then mix it with the spaghetti and marinate for some time. Hello, we got our tea, we got our spaghetti boba, we got our cup, we got our oat milk. I didn't use actual milk because I just ran out of it and I love oat milk. Let's make the boba tea with spaghetti. First of all, add the spaghetti into the cup. The brown sugar syrup is going to be good. Next up, oat milk. Next up, tea. Very strong tea. Next up, a bunch of ice. Okay, now that we got everything, let's try to see if this is good. Oh man, spaghetti boba. How exciting is that? Let's try it out. I am surprised. It is very good actually. It's pretty good. So the milk tea itself tastes like regular milk tea, but with oat milk. If you like that, that's pretty good. The main point today is about the spaghetti. And the spaghetti goes very well with the oat milk. Maybe it's because they're both crops, so they go well with each other. But the spaghetti sweet flavor really goes well with the oat milk's oat flavor. It complements each other well. Also, let me take another drink. The spaghetti itself doesn't really have a flavor, just like boba. Although we marinated it in the syrup, it did not have strong black sugar flavor, which is kind of what we expected. It is less sweet than a regular boba, but texture-wise, it's very close to regular boba. It's just a lot smaller. So with one sip, you would suck up like a lot of spaghettis chunks. That would need a lot of chews. I think that's a good thing, because when you chew the spaghetti, it really brings out all the black sugar and oat milk flavor in the milk tea. It really amplifies it. When you think about a regular spaghetti, like spaghetti and meatballs with marinara sauce, the main factor there was actually the tomato sauce. The spaghetti is just there to amplify the sauce and provide the calories, of course. And in this spaghetti and milk tea, don't think about the spaghetti as the main factor here. The actual sauce for the spaghetti is the milk tea. The spaghetti's role is to amplify the flavor of the milk tea, which is very nice. So when people first think of spaghetti in boba, I think a lot of you might be disgusted. You might think, what even is this? But the reality is, spaghetti itself doesn't have any flavor. It just has this chewy texture, which would actually go great with the milk tea, just like boba. So, would I recommend making milk tea with spaghetti? Absolutely. It basically is smaller boba with another shape. The texture is very close to actual boba. The flavor is a little more bland than the regular boba, but still, since we marinated it in the brown sugar syrup, I have some brown sugar flavor in it. I think if you marinate it more, it's going to be more sweet and closer to actual boba. So I'm rating this, and I'm not rating this. Definitely recommend this. If you find this video informational, please smash like and subscribe now for the YouTube algorithm. Okay, I'm going to see you next time.